Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today starts the next project series. This project was a master bathroom remodel that has a lot of really cool technological features as well as a pretty challenging shower tile design. In this video, we're gonna dive into the demolition, the plumbing, the drywall, and the painting, and last but not least, that design of the shower tile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. As you can see, the bathroom has already been demoed and everything has been taken out of it. There's no vanity or cabinets or anything. And next, the electricians are gonna come in and wire the bathroom and bring it up to code.
I installed 2 recessed lights with dimmers. Wait, is this?
I assume that was over the tub.
Yeah.
Okay, the new fan and light. That's no biggie.
A recessed vent light in shower. So
Yeah, I have that. Yeah.
So you got one,
Centered in
basically
there.
3 recessed
Will
here.
be, yeah.
One
Yep.
that'll be done. Do we have 3 over here or 4?
Where, here?
Yeah.
I think 4, it's just not showing the one. There's another view.
Seems like too many, doesn't it? Or not?
Two,
Is that
three.
okay? Actually, it'd be better to have too much light than not enough. Maybe do
we can go
4
4 inch.
That's what I would do.
Yeah,
Do the 4
yeah.
inch.
The other question,
And we need another feed again. For
yeah, I already
the
have that
toilet.
box cut out, ready to go. New outlet near the toilet.
In the wall cabinet.
Is that for the toilet?
Yes.
Okay. In the wall cabinet and left base.
Yeah, so we want an outlet inside this cabinet, that wall cabinet that kind of sits on top of the,
Oh, okay.
so basically one
In there.
inside here,
Mm-hmm.
probably down towards the bottom.
Sure, yeah.
And then,
Is this one okay where it stays?
should be, yeah, I think so. Should be
Okay.
fine.
And then we have to do something with that one. It's double bowl, I have to have another receptacle.
Put
In the
it on
side,
inside of this cabinet, I think would be
facing,
better.
we've
Yeah,
done that before. That's
Yep.
what I thought.
That's
Yep.
perfect. Yeah, and then we need one inside this cabinet in the base as well. Because she has like a slide out unit that you put your hair dryer and
Okay.
curling iron, or that stuff sort of sits in these little cups, and then you can leave it plugged in. So we need one inside that cabinet
Right.
also.
Can we draw this out so I know right where that cabinet is?
Yeah, we need
Go
it
here.
We need a feed for the heated floor.
Oh, that's right. I gotta.
I mean this will need
Power also.
power as well, obviously.
Over here. That'll have to be GFI.
And there's also with this unit, I think there's like a little control module, like a little that mounts to the wall that controls
Remote
all
kind
of
of.
the stuff that this does. So
Yes, you heard that right. There's a control panel for this tub, which changes the temperature and where you want the 122 air jets to focus. It also has chromotherapy lighting and a heated surface for your neck and back. Sounds luxurious, right? This tub is a Kohler K-1849-GCW-0 white acrylic underscored tub with a heater. Now back to the video.
I don't know if that needs fed or if it's wireless. I would assume that it needs fed in some fashion. So
Well,
probably
one plug here.
In this clip, you can see that the electrical work, plumbing, drywall, and painting is completely finished. Next is trying to figure out how to lay out the tile and mosaic bands in the shower.
All right, so we're going to try to determine how to lay out the bands of decorative glass tile amongst the regular field tile here. So you got band of glass,
Uh-huh.
band of glass.
Okay.
Then we mirror it on this side. Another band of glass,
Okay.
8 inches,
Mm-hmm.
3 rows of tile,
Mm-hmm.
band of glass,
Mm-hmm.
and then 3 rows of tile.
So there's
Or no,
two.
I'm sorry, 3 rows of tile and then another band of glass.
Okay. So there's 3. So you're kind of, yeah.
So we got,
Mhm.
yeah, one big
They're
row,
pretty
a
symmetrical.
row in the center,
Yep.
a row on the end.
Yeah.
All right?
And 1 on that side. No, 2 on that side.
2 on this side.
Uh-huh.
So we kind of have that proportion carrying over, you know, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5 times. And then down here, this is going to run straight down. So this last piece is, this you know, stripe here would be the glass. It'll
Mhm.
run down and stop here.
Mm-hmm.
And then the top of this is going to be tile. I ordered this thing, but it doesn't belong in here, I don't think.
Okay.
This is fine, but this, it's not going to look right.
Okay.
So for what's here, this is just going to all be the main field tile that goes straight down the front.
Yeah.
So we're going to carry that same exact, you know, pattern
Mm-hmm.
from here. So you got from this point over 18 inches,
Mm-hmm.
8 inches, 18 inches, 8 inches, and so forth.
Okay.
Where that ends up here is, you know, this line literally continues through.
Mm-hmm.
Here's our 18 inches, our 3 rows of tile. There's our 8 inches of band.
Okay.
There's our three rows of tile, 8 inches of band, and then the balance.
So you're gonna have some of the blue here too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep. Basically a stripe of it here, stripe of it there.
Okay.
It'll be back there as well. So those will all align. So basically we're just taking that pattern, continuing it the whole way through.
Mm-hmm.
The front of this, the front of that, and then consequently around here.
Yeah, I think that'll be good.
This will also, we're gonna bring this up basically a full height of the tile, which ends up being pretty much right in line with that, the top of, or the middle point of the window.
Okay.
So I mean, that's debatable. You guys could say, you know what, we don't need it to be that high. I mean, I'm fine with whatever you want to do there, but
Okay.
that's kind of that's where a full piece would bring us out.
Okay.
There wouldn't be any bull nose at the top of that. We're gonna do like the metal, like a Schluter, a metal,
Yeah.
basically thin molding that just terminates into the trim.
Kind of like
Same
what's
thing
down
down
in the
here.
kitchen.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
It's cleaner, and it also just it proportions out better. So instead of having, you know, 2 thin pieces here,
Mm-hmm.
we're ending, you know, with a full piece, pretty
Yeah.
much exactly where we want it to. So I
Yeah.
figured let's just.
Yep. Sounds
So that's the. So you'll have kind of a wide piece here,
Yeah.
wide piece there.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's just a better.
Yeah. I
It,
think
it
that'll
kind
be
of
good.
uses the proportions and the
Uh-huh.
things that are here the best.
Yep.
Does that work?
Yes. Although I thought we were doing the floor this way. Well, I only noticed it when I came in.
Oh gosh. you
Because
sure
did we
is.
want it perpendicular to the, or parallel to the window? I thought.
Okay.
I'll ask Gator, maybe he.
Well, I mean, I was thinking
I
more,
envisioned it
this
going
just
this
goes,
way.
this goes up